back to my channel. Today I am just going to be reviewing my Grand Royale pots. I can't wait to show you what's inside, and it feels good to have these pots at home. They are so amazing. I would recommend these pots. I love them. So without wasting more time, let's get right into the unboxing, and you're gonna have to test them out. So today I am just going to be unboxing this Grand Royale pots I received this as a gift from my brother-in-law. So today I am just going to be reviewing, and I am going to be testing using one of the pots here to cook my oxtail using the pot. That will be the first time I'm gonna have to try and use a small pot. We have, well, let me get a knife quickly, then I'll come and show you. So I'm just going to be cutting off. You have to be, guys, you have to be careful when you use a knife. I'm just going to be so we have two pots in here. Like I said, we have a 10-liter and a 6-liter pot. So let me show you what's inside. These pots are so heavy. They are so heavy. We have the lid, and here's the lid. We have the lid. This is the bigger lid, I think, for a bigger pot. Seems like I'm removing the lid first. Then we have the other lid. This one looks small. It's like, well, it seems like it's for a 6-liter pot one. Yeah, you can see. This one is big and this one is a bit small. Then we have this pot right here. I believe, well, this one is a 6-liter pot one. It comes wrapped in with this plastics. This is how it looks. It's so beautiful. And I think I'm gonna use this pot to cook the oxtail. You're gonna have to try and cook the oxtail using this one. It's so beautiful, and it's written stainless steel. Well, it's stainless steel. They say if you come closer, you can use this pots using gas or electro or siren or induction. You can use these pots there. This one is a 6-liter. You can see there are measurements inside. There is 1 liter, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I believe 6 is supposed to be there. So as you can see, I don't know whether you can see the measurements in these pots. It's amazing. I love the handles. Like, these handles are so good. When the pot is hot, you can be able to just lift your pot from the stove or gas or induction, as they say, like lifting without burning your hands if you don't have your protective gloves. Then we have the bigger pot here. this one is a 10-liter pot. This one is a 10-liter pot. It's the same as the 6-liter pot one. Also, there are measurements inside, and they are the same one as this one. I love them. These are the pots. Let me cover them with the lid. When you you close the pot, when you open it, you open these. You open like this. You see it's now enlarging. Then you put in your pot like that. And when it's just it's fitting well, then you just close like that. You just roll or turn this handle here, and voila, it's a closed pot. I think I'm gonna use these pots. I think I'm gonna use this pot for cooking my oxtail today. Now I don't know what this is used for. This thing here, I don't know what it is used for, or maybe it's when it's hot. Yeah. Then when it's hot, you just open. This is used for opening. You just turn it like that, and then steam would come out here. I'm gonna cook using the 6-liter pot one. Then for this one, you just open two, then you just close like that. These are the pots. These are my pots. I love them. So guys, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share, and please comment in my videos. And thank you guys. Love you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.